India welcomes over 11 million international tourists and nearly 7.2 billion domestic trips every year. With this much of growth, there lies a hidden problem, which is safety. Fake IDs let criminals poses as tourists. Hotels authorities struggles to identify their ID with manual verifications. Tourists sometimes gets kidnapped, gets lost, entered in restricted zones, unsafe zones, and illegal overstays. They vanish like a no trace. We are the Rage Gang, and together we built YatriRakshak. In that next few minutes, I, Sharbik Roy, the team lead of the Range Gang, going to walk you through the problems we identified, our innovative solutions, and a demo of our first system architecture system workflow because of Yatra bhi hoga safe and Raksha bhi hogi brave. And before I am going to start, I am going to mention my teammates' name because I am very proud of them. So they are Pratik Shaw, Saurabh Singh, Anmesha Singh, Shanchari Ganguly, and Gayatri Shaw. And together we are the Range Gang. Every year, thousands of fake IDs slip through, and a single weak link can threaten both tourist safety and national security. Hotel ID check-ins are slow, prone to error. Police often get delayed informations. In the emergencies, minutes means lives. Studies shows that 1 in every 50 tourists in India faces a safety-related problem. We know there are to a smarter way. Now imagine a system which gives every tourist a secure, encrypted digital ID impossible to fake. Hotels and authorities one scan away to verify the user's authenticity. Where AI and geo-fencing alert tourists before entering any unsafe zones, any restricted zones. Where a single SOS button directly connected to the police dashboard. And while an IoT band stays connected, track health and locations and every user activity and alert to the admin dashboard. Even in remote area where internet connectivity is a myth. This isn't just an idea. You don't have to imagine. We build this in our solution, YatriRakshak. Now let's look under the hood of YatriRakshak, how the system actually works. When a tourist registers on the React Native app and uploads their document with facial features, our TensorFlow AI immediately takes the photo ID of that user and their facial recognition and verify if that user is authentic or not. Once approved, a hash of tourists is generated with an expiration date and pushed to the blockchain using Solidity smart contract and Brownie for auto deployment, which is made in Python, making their identity secure, immutable, and time-bound. The app then generates a QR code which can be used as to check in hotels to verify their ID to police department and authorities. At the same time, Geo-fencing monitors safe zones, shows heat maps, and sends alert to the admin dashboard. If a tourist enters unsafe areas, the SOS features works without internet, leveraging native SMS or Bluetooth mesh power. So tourists can opt help from anywhere, any remote place. All services communicate through a Node.js Express Bracket API, ensuring seamless, scalable, and secure communication. Also, we use microservice architecture, so if one service goes down, another can work without any effect. So here is the full workflow of that system design. Now let's move to the demo.
This is the tourist application made by React Native. Here, the user will create account first with their necessary personal details like name, number, Aadhaar card, and all. Sorry, not Aadhaar card, name, number, email ID. Then the user will log in and opt for verification. The verification can be done by Aadhaar card or passport or any other documents, and also the DigiLocker will be updated soon. The facial recognition feature isn't added yet. Here I am entering the Aadhaar card details like written on the card, like Aadhaar card number, name, date of birth, gender, and address. This application is currently on prototype phase, so a lot of features isn't made yet. Now here you can see the routes. Where using geofencing, we are drawing the zones. Restricted zones are denoted using reds. High risk zones are using yellow, and green means safe zone. Here you can see I am sending SOS and other thing. Now this is the admin dashboard prototype. Here the admin will log in with their password, username and password. We call login. They can see new tourists who applied for verification. Here I just created the account in my tourist app, so I can accept or reject it. Let's accept this request. After accepting the request, here you can see in the user management about the user details, current users active and all. Here is the blockchain ID of that user by which you can verify the user authenticity. Let me show you something. So as you can see in this log, when we verify the user from the admin dashboard, a new transaction has been created on the blockchain. This is the transaction ID of that user when their details has been pushed. So here you can see it. Now here also in the dashboard, in the overview panel, the admin can see the heat maps of tourists, where the tourists are most, where they are least, and all of that details. In the settings, they can give the parameters for the AI models and all thresholds and different kind of settings. Currently this is the prototype phase, so there is nothing much to show in the admin dashboard here. So let's log out, and that's all for the demo.
The impact of YatriRakshak is transformative. 100% elimination of fake IDs through blockchain and AI facial recognition feature. Instant hotel check-ins save time for both hotel staff and tourists, and also for authorities. SOS plus Auto EFI ensures police response in minutes, not hours, saving billions of lives. Real-time monitoring with geo-fencing keeps tourists safe and allows authorities to proactively prevent risk. Fraud detection and alerts help maintain trust and integrity in the system. Safer tourists mean more confidence, more repeated visits, and importantly, stronger economic growth. Even if 10% increases in safe tourism could generate billions of rupees for the economy and create thousands of new jobs. With YatriRakshak, safety, efficiency, and trust come together to make tourism smarter, faster, and truly secure. So as you see, tourism is not just about place, it's about people and their safety. And YatriRakshak is not just an app or system, it's a protector. It's a digital shield for every traveler. And lastly, I want to thank all my teammates, Sanchari Ganguly, Pratik Shaw, Saurav Singh, Kanchi Shah, and Annesha Singh. Without their hard work and dedication, we can't build this app. And we are proud to represent our college, JS University. And also, we want to thank SIH organizers to give us the opportunity to showcase our skill in this big level. Thank you. Goodbye.